Welcome back to the family. How is it going? It is weekend again, so today's message is about you coming to know that you have to use your hobby to keep you busy. Whenever you are feeling that you can't go out, you can't do anything, you can't focus on your purpose that you are having, make sure this time is the time that you are using to try to improve yourself. You're trying to improve the way you produce your stuff, the way you are working on your project. What are the things that you want to see? What are the goals that you have in your mind? What is the program that you want to do that is in your mind that you have been keeping, that when will I see time to do these things? This is the time. Instead of you thinking about how you will fap again, how you will masturbate, because sex always come into the mind when you are idle, because of the various things that our world is showing us today on the social media, everywhere, YouTube, Instagram, even Facebook. Facebook is mostly entertainment, but personally to me it's boring. I just use Facebook to just share my messages. I haven't gotten page for Facebook on this my NoFap account, but maybe in the future I will get an account on Facebook. I don't know yet. So there are many distractions out there to not make you be on your goal, on your purpose, and you holding on to your seed, holding on to your life force energy, because it is very costly. It's just like for an African person growing his or her hair, you know how stressful it may be. And I remember when I was playing FIFA, like, is it FIFA 18, when you can have the ability to have the player that have the full afro. It's not the locks now, only the afro, the big hair. It's very costly, and you have to pay more, you have to get many experience before you can get that player. So they know that is how NoFap is, that is how your energy is, that is how your seed is in you. So anytime that you feel that you have free time, you don't have anything to do again, you have finished all your assignment, I've done my purpose, everything is true now. Now you now focus on your hobby. That is how it is. Your hobby might be anything. Your hobby might be you just taking photography, might be you just going into nature, might be you just hiking, it might be you just going to your friend place, it might be you just playing video games also. Yeah, playing video game is also an hobby. If you are using your hobby can also become a means of an end to you, whereby you get money from it. People are using video games to make money these days. You can see them on Facebook and other places, also on YouTube too. So use your hobby to always occupy your space. Don't be always available to anybody and everybody. Let them know that you too, you have a life. You have your own personal activity that you're doing, apart from the friends, family members out there that you know that you always make and do stuff with outside there. Your own hobby is you and what you love personally. And it doesn't mean that it's only you that will be doing your hobby. You too, you know what is hobby. You can do your hobby with other friends, just like you play video game, you having photography crew, that you go out there to make street photography together, video vlog, all those things like that. Your hobby, you won't take it very serious, like how I'm sharing my message, because I know that this message is very important. This is my own, part of my purpose, that I need to share this thing, what I've came to realize, what I came across according to my experience, my journey in life. So I'm sharing it for you. So this is not my hobby. My hobby is not for me to share this life force energy program to you and let you know how masturbation affects men and women these days because of the porn world and many manipulation and conditioning of people that make people to want to make you to want to do double of yourself, do what, like you going to buy another planet before you have a particular person that you need, that you feel that you're worth. So that is the conditioning of many people, especially the women. Right from young, women are conditioned, and that's why we have to let them know that we are still alive. We are still here. Our life force is working for us. We are making our goals happen, and our dreams are coming true into real life. We're not more in the dream. We're going from the dream to actually manifesting and actualizing our dream. So don't waste your time. Always occupy your time with your hobby. I remember where I lived before. I always go to work close to my house, to my neighbor. This my neighbor, he was a captain, and his children too was a captain. He was an ex-captain, whereby he's retired, and his children is also captain now, his sons. And I realized that these people, they're always doing something. If they're not outside doing other things, maybe with their friends, with their family, or going to eat out in their house, if they are not repairing something, they are doing something else. They are always doing something. That's how the rich are. Always do something, and always pay attention to what you are doing. Okay, family, hope you enjoyed this message. Catch you in the next one, and I am free from jacking off to pornographic images and videos. Hope you too you are.